Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about performing client-side attack through SAT. This chapter shows how to do something that is many situations might be illegal, a violation of term of services or just not a good idea. In this provided here to give you information you can use to protect yourself against threats that make your own system more secure. Before following this instruction, be sure you are the right side of the legal and ethical line. Use your power for good. In this video, we will going to cover how to conduct a security audit based on client-side attack, how to make backdoor server run on the attacker machine and the create payload and listener. We will also learn how an attacker can attack using email or large enterprise network. The topic covered in this chapter are as follows: creating payloads and listener. Next is understanding the mass mailer attack, and we will also little bit discuss about SMS spoofing attack in the end of this video. So let's move to our topic: create a payload and listener. So we need to start set, and you can see here I already started. You can type set toolkit command in terminal. Now I select social engineering attack to receive a list of possible attack fall under the social engineering. So press 1 and enter, and we will see the fourth option, create a payload and listener here. So I just type 4 and enter. Next step is create a payload, and the listener is to provide IP address to attacker machine where the reverse connection can be made by using the reverse connection means. Once this machine gets exploited, the payload will open a shell on the attacker machine of the target machine. So I just enter our Kali Linux IP address here. It's 192.168.1 dot. I need to check here, and 192.168.1.128. So 128 and press enter. Once the attacker is done with giving the IP address for the listener, we need to understand type of payload such as single stranger or meterpreter. Now we will select Windows Reverse TCP Meterpreter, where the meterpreter is a advanced multi-threaded payload that operate via DLL injection. Here reverse TCP means that it is listening on port that is waiting for the connection to either establish or abort. So we select here option 2, Windows Reverse TCP Meterpreter. So press 2 and enter. The Metasploit have been categorized as a stages, treasures and single. The single payload type is selected only when the attacker want to perform a single operation for the attack. For example, if the attacker want to upload a malware such as virus.exe on the remote machine. Next is the treasures payload. This type of payload is selected when the attacker want to create a network connection between attacker and the target. Treasures payload are small and reliable as they do not crash the target machine. Next is Strategis payload. This type of payload is used by the Strategers payload, has some advanced feature provided by Strategers. These features are Meterpreter, VNC inject and the iPhone shell. Once the payload has been selected based on scenario of the target, the next thing we need to do is select backdoor and executable to bypass the antivirus security. So here I select option 4, backdoor executable, and enter. Next we need to specify on which specific port our listener will be active. If we do not specify, it will run on default port, that is 443. So just leave it default. Next message you can see here for starting a listener. So type yes here. I want to start listener. It may take time. It will load our Metasploit console listener module. Once the target access malicious link that provided by attacker, we get the reverse shell here on Metasploit framework, and you can see here the reverse handler. It will automatically set here our L host, L port and its options. Right now you seeing nothing here, no open session here. Once your victim is access malicious link and you get the session here. So that's all about handler. Just exit out from here. Now next is understands the mass mailer attack, we also call E-bomb. The name list itself is clear. We are using the mail to send malicious email to single target or a multiple targets. The mass mailer attack has two variations which are given as follows: email attack on single email address, and second one is email attack using mass mailer. The mass mailer is a commonly used to send a phishing page link to the email ID or a target. The attacker need to be aware of the email harvester technique to be efficient in this attack. This is useful Ruby script in Kali Linux named Jigsaw, which can be very useful to perform an email harvester attack. A mass mailer is also used to perform distributed denial of service DDoS attack through the creation of zombie board and by controlling the boards through the control center. The steps required to perform the mass mailer attack are as follows. Mass mailer attack is located under social engineering attack. You can see here fifth option. So we need to select 5 and press enter. Once the option is selected, we are given the following two options: email attack single email address, email attack mass mailer. The email attack single email address attack let us send an email to only one target. The email attack mass mailer attack allow us to send an email to multiple individual in the list. In this example, we will be covering the second attack, email attack mass mailer. So we select second option and press enter. Path to the file of import into set. This file contains the target email ID to which the email need to be sent. Once we have to select the target, the next thing we need to specify is the email address from where the attack will be take place. You can see here I already create one file, email.txt. So just set the path and email.txt and press enter. Now next thing is use your own server or open relay. This is recommended. From address, so you can type here any fake email address, email ID. So taste@gmail.com, name is taste, leave it blank, open relay also blank, SMTP server address you have to type SMTP server port, leave it by default 25 and set its priority to high. Subject, I just saw the test demo, so we used test. You can also make it this attack sophisticated. I will send into plain text. So P, enter to body message, hi, this is test mail, thanks, and last type E and D and in capital and press enter. So that is mass mailer attack. Once all the required information is given, set will start sending the emails sequentially. Next is SMS spoofing attack. I just pause this. Next is SMS spoofing attack, but no longer support in set version 6.0.4. Otherwise you can see here SMS spoofing attack menu. The SMS spoofing attack allows the attacker to send SMS using set without revealing his or her true identity or by using someone else's identity. The SMS spoofing attack vector allow you to craft your own SMSs and send them to the target using some third party number without even interacting with the user. So that's all about performing client side attack through SAT toolkit. Please subscribe and give your feedback to me, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.